I was like 5 around there, and I would always come and order a quesadilla. Hi guys, and welcome again to Vlogmas day 18. Yes, 18. We are actually on our way to go and buy some more masa for tamales, and gonna go to the Goodwill, donate some of Joseph's clothes that doesn't fit him anymore. We are also gonna go get Mr. Jose some winter or some snow gear, because at first he was like, I don't need any snow gear. And I was like, dude, we're gonna get on motorcycles. You're gonna get wet. You're gonna be crying that you're freezing. You need gear. And he's like, wait, we're doing motorcycles? I was like, yes! So I guess now we're gonna go get him some gear. Anyways, now we're gonna head to good old Farmersville. This is my town, but they can't see because it's foggy. Well, not my town, but this is the town where I grew up. I came to school here. I came to elementary and to middle school, all the way to 7th grade, and then we moved. Cool, huh? And this is the town where they have the masa to make tamales. It's a little drive, but it's worth it. I used to live here when the gas was
50 cents.
It was 97, 98 cents. And I remember Henaro used to grab my uncle's car, and he would just like drive to the gas station to pump $1 of gas. He thought he was cool, but because he learned how to drive.
We are at the best.
It's called the best. Look at all the cars, guys. Most of these people are probably getting masa.
Dang. Cars full. It's a little store, but
It's a little store, but
for a little store, there is a lot of cars.
they came to get masa for tamales. These are the leaves for the tamales, and like whenever you're grabbing them, make sure that they're like big. See? Like they're not little baby ones, because those are hard to use. They have to be big. There's a worm.
Bro?
But it's corn. That's how you wash them. You know, like the banana ones have bird shit, you know, you gotta wash them. Anyways, we're gonna use, I think I'm gonna get this one.
If you guys are wondering why the camera is shaky, because I'm like recording and trying to fight Joseph at the same time.
They always ask like pork, like what lard, or what's pork lard? It's pork fat. So they have this one, and then there's like different kinds. This one's like, there's like a name to this. I think it's like filtered fat or pork fat or something like that. And then they have like the ones that they make from the carnitas and the chicharrones, which is like more liquefied.
Those are large too?
Yeah. And this makes the tamales taste extra tastier. But I like to whip my lard. We're gonna get that one, and we're gonna put it in the fridge so it can get hard, so we can whip it. Like whip it real good. Oh, come.
He's gotta come in. I'm like right here.
So there's like the two kinds of the masecas. They have this one for the tortillas, and then they have this one for the tamales. You want this one, okay? This is for tortillas. This one's for tamales. Two different kinds. And this is the masa for the tamales. Sometimes you guys ask about what ollas I'm using for the tamales, but they're those. Those are the steamers, and they work freaking amazing to make tamales. Those right here. They're like they range from like $20 to like $70 depending on how big they are. And they also have like a lot of cool things here. And they also have or bun and the bolillos. They're $1. I'm gonna get some so I can make tortas. I'm gonna get the big one. Oh, I remember what I was looking for. Freshly baked. That's the word.
For bread?
Yeah. Like the pan fresco is like, why do you keep saying pan fresco? I'm trying to say fresh baked pan, and I keep saying pan fresco, but anyways, the bolillo is made here too. No more. Gotta keep him busy, man. He starts going chimp.
Starts going ape?
Yes, he starts like yelling like a monkey, like literally.
Put that back, Joseph.
Ya les quitó el precio. Sí, me das este carnitas.
Es que me dijeron, ahorita entro
They have carnitas and buche and chicharrón. We're gonna get tortillas for breakfast. But like they just made them from the machine. Look, I'm not kidding you. Look. You guys ever have tortillas con sal? You guys were kids? No? No? Aquí sí. Yes. And then we're gonna go home and eat our carnitas. But it's freaking freezing. Look how cold it is. My fingers are about to pop. I mean, break off my hand. I like cold weather, but when it's too cold, it's too cold and I just want to be home. Because Farmersville is full of orchards. So there's a lot of fog around here. We're still in Farmersville. We're going back to La Mejor because we're gonna meet with somebody there. Actually, I was supposed to ask for somebody when I went there to La Mejor because obviously, you know, like they've been here for mega years. Like I remember being a kid and coming to La Mejor and they are like, oh my gosh, Nanajoe, like, you know, like let us know when you're here. But they were so busy. There's so many people. They're so busy. They have, I didn't want to like bother them, I guess, and be like, hey, you know, like I'm here, you know, so I didn't want to bother them. And I just did what I just went and shopped and I left and they were calling me. They're like, no, you need to come back. So we're going back. I just didn't want to bug them, you know. 3 gas stations like competing. This is 360, 361 and 359. They're not messing around here. The competition, it's good.
They actually want to get rid of their gas, not like other stores.
It's like, I mean, they're setting apart, but maybe they all own these stores. It's a strategy.
Right.
The place, if you want to come, you know, for your quinceañeras and stuff, they have the bar ready.
Oh, that's why they have this?
Yeah.
We didn't have this last time.
No?
This just happened.
You have to rent it.
Oh, but they have like a spot for it
yeah,
too.
this is
Right there
this is the dance floor, guys.
yes, and right there's the conjunto.
For la banda. You know, a party's not a party without that booth, so make sure you rent that.
What do you think?
Bar.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's nice. I actually, when I was a kid, I used to come here. I'm not sure if it was here, like this area right here, or it was outside.
No.
Yeah, venía a vender botes or something.
Yes.
She would do something, and there was like a restaurant. No me acuerdo muy bien because I was like 5 around there, and I would always come and order a quesadilla.
Yeah. We are the only ones that still do the authentic.
Oh, look.
Everybody else uses the masa mixta. We do not. We still cook our corn into hominy. And
That's the reason why I tell you guys, the masa for the tamales is the place to come. Because they taste different. And you'll tell the difference. And the tortillas.
so. Oh. Yo no tengo fuerzas ni comer. I'll be pulling. I got no more strength. Okay, so we put them in containers and we freeze them.
There's a lot of tamales right there.
This will be gone in December. They're frozen. Everything is frozen. Then we take them out and steam them. Okay?
Who makes these?
My employees, and it's all handmade.
Los miré y me dolió hasta el lomo.
Ay, de tanta chinga. It's a lot of work, girl.
I know.
And he likes to smell it.
It's a Snoop Dogg.
Oh, yeah, está como el mío. My
Be careful with the back y te cagas por el culo.
God, I'm like, why do you sneak
Yes, that's what it does. Mira. Here, wait. Hurry. Yeah.
Hummingbird. You like the dog? Come on.
Che,
Hey.
vamos para allá. Vámonos. Go buy your wood. Let's go. Come on.
Go find a wood. There's a tamale process right here.
Yeah.
We're ready to get steamed.
This is where they grind the masa, right?
Yeah. They grind it here, we grind over there. Can't keep up with the one over here.
Remember how I was telling you that they make fresh bolillos? It's right here. They're puffy.
And we have our own manteca. ¿Ya compraste masa?
I did buy
Are you all
masa.
set?
Yeah.
Did you take anything? You want anything? Could I help you with anything? What you need?
Okay, so we are back on the road again.
Yes. So she just wanted to show us the process of how they, like the whole plant, like the whole process of how they make their masa, how they make their tortillas and tamal and everything, their pan, the carnitas. Like she wanted to show us like a little bit of behind the scene, which was pretty cool because it's cool, you know, to see how things are actually being made. So that's what we went back over there. Now we're gonna go to Dick's.
So we're at Dick's looking for Pants?
Yes.
Snow pants?
Overalls, actually. What are you, a size small?
Small.
Do you want pants or you want overalls?
Pants. They don't have pants?
I'm sure they do somewhere. Hold on, we gotta find Puppy some pants. His legs are broken. Look, hurry up, get up.
So I got my pants. They look kind of funny. They're all big from the bottom.
Start from the bottom. I got me some overalls. I got pants at the house, but I need 2 outfits. Because we're gonna be there for 4 days, so I need.
In case you guys get overalls, there's no pockets on those.
Yeah, they do. They have one right here.
Yeah, but they have no pockets like
You don't need
pants.
pockets. You're
So
so Billy.
if you have a phone, you can't put it in there.
Put it in your bra. Oh, you don't have one.
Joseph, who's that?
I know.
Joseph is looking at Joseph.
It's seaweed.
Seaweed. Come on, let's go.
Looks like a bolillo. I'm trying on some shoes for the gym. Because mine are ripped. Which ones?
Purple or blue?
Which ones do you like?
Well,
Neither?
I'm gonna say. I mean, I don't like neither. But you're asking me purple or blue. I'll probably go for the blue ones.
Me too.
That's just me.
You're right. These are gym shoes, right? I mean, they're rubber.
You know, they look like throwaway shoes.
Just because
Because
of
you
that.
just want to get them and throw them away.
Just because of that, I'm gonna get them. All right, guys. So we are leaving Dick's Sporting Goods with a new set of shoes for the gym because mine ripped. And now we're on our way to the Goodwill to donate some of Joseph's clothes. And then we're gonna go home, unload everything, start making tamales, start setting up everything. It's a lot of things that we have to do today. Actually, there was change of plans. We got home, I made some lunch, dinner, whatever the hell you want to call it, and then I got tired and I got sleepy. So I don't think I'm gonna fix my stuff in my kitchen today. Another day, another 8 boxes laying around in the kitchen. I'll fix that tomorrow. But that is gonna be it for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on everything: Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. What else? Everything. But that is it, guys.